Welcome again to my Jamaican backyard garden. This is Gardening with Stacy. Today we will be harvesting Callaloo or harvesting Amaranth and few other veggies as well. Let's get this cucumber first. Nice. Looking good, isn't it? This is a white spine cucumber. I have some lettuce over here I'm going to harvest. I'm just gonna get the entire thing this time instead of just the leaves. Iceberg lettuce. This is so rewarding. Now let's harvest some radishes. Look at this nice one right here. This variety is a China rose. Nice size. I should have a few more over here. This is an early scarlet globe variety. Ooh, wiggly worm. Don't want to touch it. If this is not the early scarlet globe, this is the champion radish. Another one looking so good. Okay, so there's this one beetroot I need to get from the other day. This one I accidentally root up when I was cleaning up. It was just a tiny piece of the root that was attached to the soil. This is a Detroit dark red beetroot. This is such a good feeling. Okay, let's get the Kalalo or the Amaranth. The worms or bugs had part of some of the leaves, but at least they left the majority, so let's get them. Not the best, but I'm still grateful. The joy of growing your own food fresh from the garden. Organically grown. I did get some sweet sap from the tree earlier. I will show you what you and I harvest looks like after I wash them up. Here's everything. I had the Callaloo or the Amaranth soaking in salt water. So this is just a little clip from one of my previous videos. Oh, I prepare my Jamaican steamed Callaloo. So this is the next day. I decided to uproot my corns and see what I get because nothing now going for them. Oh my word! What is the meaning of this? Well, it had about two more grains. Anyways, this one not bad. This one I don't know if it is the white or the yellow one. I grew both of them. They obviously cross-pollinated. Now look at these. But like I said, I needed to uproot them because they obviously weren't doing well. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.